Alright, hey guys, Tech Hacker here, and today I'm going to show you how to jailbreak the new and ultimate iOS 5. And basically, this is a red snow jailbreak, so we won't be using Snowbreeze. And basically what you're going to need is you're going to need red snow 0.9.9 beta 4 for Windows and 0.9.9 beta 5 for Mac. All links in the description. And you're going to need the IPSW file. And it's optional to be on operating iOS 5, which I'm already on. Okay, so again, this is Windows and Mac, and this jailbreak will be for iPhone 4, iPhone 3rd generation, iPhone 3GS, and iPod Touch 4th generation, iPod Touch 3rd generation, and iPad 1st generation. This is not available for iPad 2nd and the lucky users that are the lucky people, should I say, that have iPhone 4S. So yeah, that's not available right now, and that's going to be available afterwards for both devices. And this is a tethered jailbreak, which means you're going to have to be using the software if your iDevice ever runs out of battery, or you close it and you have to tap power off and you want to on it again. So that onto the jailbreak will be released when the iPhone 4S and iPad 2 jailbreak is released. So basically, you're gonna go into the description, download Red Snow, okay, mega upload links, and then you're gonna open up your browser and you're gonna download your IPSW file. So you're gonna go to the website FlexiBurns. Let's see if I can bring it up. I can't bring it up, so let me just type it in Google. Right, FlexiBurns IPSW. Okay. So this is what the website is going to look like. Link is going to be in the description. Then you're going to scroll down. You're going to hit here. Then you're going to look for your IPSW file. So you can see iPhone 4S isn't listed here, but iPad is, iPad 2 is, iPhone and the iPhones are, and the iPods. So again, so I'm on iPod 4G, so I'm going to click the file and I'm going to hit download. Alright, once you've downloaded it, it's going to be saved and you're going to get this folder, this file. If it is a zip file, you can YouTube on how to turn it into zip file to an IPSW file, because sometimes that occurs. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to right click on the red snow folder and extract it. Then you're going to open up the program. Alright. So you want your iPod to be, whatever iDevice to be on. Mine is on and I'm on iOS 5, like I said, I think. Then on the software, you're going to pick extras, and then you're going to pick select IPSW. This is manually selecting the IPSW. Then you're going to look for the file that you downloaded from FlexiBurns. So my one's on my desktop, and there it is. So that's my file. You're going to pick it and you're going to hit open. So you're going to open, and then it says the following build was identified. Okay, so make sure your device is on the lock screen, preferably. Then you're just going to hit OK. And then you just it's loading. Then you should go back, hit back. You can hit jailbreak. It's gonna patch the kernel when preparing jailbreak and data. This usually takes about 2 minutes. Preparing RAM disk, so that's done. And now you're gonna get this screen. Basically, you wanna make sure this is a must that you have ticked off install Cydia. If you have not, Cydia will not be installed. Then you're gonna hit install then you're gonna hit enable battery percentage if you want. This is optional, and enable multitask gestures, that's optional as well, which I'm gonna go ahead and do. And install custom builds, the bundle, but I don't want that. Just gonna hit next, and then it's gonna tell you to put your device into DFU mode, but we're gonna do this ahead of time by simply holding down the home button and the power button for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, or preferably until you hear a beep on your computer. Then you're going to let go of the power button and you're going to keep holding the home button for about 15 seconds. Then on the software it should come up. There we go. So until that came up, then you can let go. And now on the software it's just exploiting LimeGrame and uploading first stage, etc. This is where all the magic stuff happens. So you won't need you're not going to use the IPSW, and you're going to store it from iTunes. This all happens on your iDevice and the software. This process, I've heard that it takes about 10 minutes, sometimes 15. I'm not really sure how long it takes, because obviously this is the first time I'm doing it. So I'm just gonna leave it like this, and you can just see how it goes through the process. I might fast forward it, like make it fast with animation, or not, or preferably wait, something happened. And basically your iDevice is gonna reboot now. So that took, I don't know, 2 minutes. But overall, okay, now it's just uploading RAM disk. It's uploading all the files onto iDevice. As you can see, my iPod now says, let's see what it says. It says downloading jailbreak data. So the software is putting the jailbreak data onto the, oops, I think I zoomed in too much. Anyway, so it's rebooting and it says done on the software. So the software is done. You're gonna get all this white text. It's too small even to see in the naked eye. So basically it's not, it isn't, basically it's hard to see. Then then it's just gonna carry on this white text. Basically it's just installing all that you've ticked off, and it's preparing it for a jailbreak. Now all this that you can see that's coming up on the left hand side, that just says please wait. I'm not sure what that's for, but as you can see, all the software on my computer, the rest of the process will take place on your device. So it says done, so we can close that off. And now some more text is coming up. I don't know, again, I don't know how long this process takes, because when I checked, you can straight away click jailbreak without having your IPSW. So I kind of worked out that bit out myself. So let's see how long it takes. Okay, so that's done, and now on the screen it says moving application. Now this is probably the longest procedure. Okay, as you can see, that famous running pineapple, or I like to call it SpongeBob's house. Basically this moving application screen actually takes quite a long time, 5 to 10 minutes. This is what I meant. So I'm just gonna leave this on, and you can see what's gonna happen. And basically I'm gonna leave the camera on, and we're just gonna go through the whole procedure, and you can see what's going on. So basically I'm not gonna close it and come back and skip, so you can just see what's going on. Alright, so the moving applications is done, and now that just came up saying installing bundles. And now what's happening right about now is your device is gonna reboot, and you're gonna be greeted onto the normal screen. Not the welcome screen of iOS 5, but your normal screen where you select unlock. So again, this usually stays for about 20 seconds. It's a normal boot up. If I just zoom out, Apple logo. Alright, so if you hear the beep on the computer. Alright, so it's done. Boot up is complete. It's just recognizing all on the computer. So if we just select unlock, alright, basically you see this. Where's Cydia? 1 second, give me 2 seconds. Cydia isn't actually here for some reason. Oh wait, it was on the other page, my bad. my mistake. So okay, on the computer, let's just cancel off that. So basically it should come up on this page. So that's iMessages, that's the new thing, copy of BBM. Yeah, basically, okay, start again, slide to unlock. Yeah, then we're gonna look for Cydia. It should really be on this page, but for some reason it's only on this page. Now if you click Cydia, it won't actually open up, and I heard Safari doesn't open up. Let's just check. Okay, Safari doesn't open up as well. So yeah, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna head over to your software, and by the way, Cydia has to be a white block. It's not gonna be the actual Cydia sign. It's just gonna be a white block. Okay, let me just zoom out. Alright, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna go into your computer. You're gonna open up Red Snow again. Okay. Then you're gonna hit on extras. Then you see this top bit, it says just boot. Just boot tethered right now. So basically what that does is tether jailbreak, like I said, so it's gonna reboot your iOS device. So you can hit just boot, and now it says one second, let me just read this. And please know your device, blah blah blah, if you're old enough to. So we have to go into DFU mode all over again. So hold down the two things for 10 seconds, preferably until you hit the beep on your computer. Right, so let go of the power button and keep hold of the home button for about 15 seconds, and preferably when the software changes the screen. So you heard the beep, software changes screen, it says identifying. Let go of any buttons that you're holding. It's gonna say exploring with lime rain again. So it's just doing the same procedure again, but instead of adding all the applications, it's just rebooting your device. So Cydia could work, can work. So your iPod or your iDevice is booting up, like my one is booting up right now. Doobie doobie dooba, doobie doobie dooba. Still booting up. See, this is what I hear about jailbreaking. Once you've jailbroken, your device actually takes longer to boot up. That's kind of a downside to jailbreak. Even though it is legal, I think. No, I'm joking, it's legal. Apart from some stuff that when you jailbreak, it's actually illegal. So anyways, that's what I hear about jailbreaking. It takes forever, almost like 100 years. No, I'm joking. It takes proper long just for it to boot up. Alright, we heard that beep. Hopefully that's a good sign, and there is your device is booting up. That took about a minute probably. More than that. Anyway, so your device is booting up. Let's just zoom in a bit. Computer's bleeping away. So we're gonna select our lock. Scroll over. Click on Cydia. Click on Cydia. Bloody Cydia still isn't opening up. Click on Safari. Safari doesn't open up. What the hell is going on? Let me try and work this out. I'll come back. Let me just pause the video. Alright, so basically what I've done is that I went through just boot all over again, and right now it's saying done on the software, so I'm going to cancel out that. So you just have to click just boot again. So you have to keep doing it until your device actually loads up. And now you can see this pineapple screen is replaced by the Apple logo, because that's the Red Snow logo. And again, it's going to bring up the device. It's going to take about a minute. Sorry I couldn't show you lot because I never knew what really was going on, so I just tried that up again. So it's still loading. Loading. Alright, I heard the beep. That means the device should be up. And there you go, device booting up. Slide to unlock, quickly slide to unlock. Okay, go to Cydia. There you go, Cydia icon turned brown, which means Cydia should work now. There you go, Cydia is working, and Safari should be working. Safari is working. Alright guys, so that was how to jailbreak iOS 5, the release date version, the new one. So alright guys, thank you for watching my video, hope you enjoyed it, and good luck with the jailbreak. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Peace out.